Hoki mai ana ki te takere o te waka o te arawa, neke atu I te toru te kaumārima ngā tūranga mahi hou ko waihangatia e te Arawa Lakes Trust mā ngā uri tonu. I te whakatūnga mai o te whare ratonga a Waia, e aro ana ki te tuku āwhina ki ngā whānau e poke ana e ngā āhuatanga o te urutā. Anei te pūrongo a Herewini Waikato.
She can also hear with her headsets audio, and she's going through the training process of getting started as an advisor in our Te Arawa Lakes call centre.
He kaupapa nā Te Arawa mā ngā uri I te taunga mai o ngā whakawai o te wā.
This is Te Arawa taking care of Te Arawa. The calls will come all over the motu, but once we identify that a caller is from Te Arawa, then we're able to kōrero to that whānau member.
Wow.
Kua whakatūria e Te Arawa Lakes Trust, tēnei whare tautoko a Waia mō ngā whānau e pēhia ana e ngā here o te mate korona.
We're able to connect to our whānau, we're able to relate to them. We know how to tautoko, how to awhi them, how to do the best that we can. I mean, when the call comes in and you can hear the pātai, whether it's from our kaumatua, our kui, it's the way that we relate to them, how we awhi, how we tautoko. Our whānau aren't a number, our whānau are our whānau.
I hua mai ai tēnei kaupapa I te korenga o ngā rātonga I āta tiaki I ngā whānau Māori o te rohe. He oi, ko te mahi tuatahi, he whakangungu I ngā uri.
If it's a vaccination call, then the inquiry might be, I want to book my vaccination. The callers are going to be able to get the details from the whānau, find out where their location is, what day and time might suit them to book in for their vaccination. But for some of our whānau, they don't have that equipment to be able to do that, so they can ring the 0800 number. We have recognised that there's a gap in the call centre or information being able to get out to our whānau. This has been a great opportunity for us to be able to do that, to connect our whānau with our own and to be able to give them the information that they require to make them feel a little bit more comfortable, a little bit on what's going on in this space.
And they got a more connection, they got a more ahua, they got a more manakitanga. Not in what they do, is how they say it. And I think they've been picked to do this mahi, to get through to our people because of their wairua.
E toru te kau ngā tūranga mahi ko waihangatia māroto I tēnei kaupapa. E whā te kau anō ngā tūranga, ka wātia mai hei ngā wiki tata nei.
I want to learn a bit more about it, and it was a good job for me, and it fit in with my kids and my lifestyle. So yeah, I'm glad to be back in work.
If I wasn't here today, I'll just be chilling at home, just kicking back, watching a bit of Netflix. Am I a techno guru? No, I'm not. I'm not technical at all. So this is quite a learning for me.
The hopes and the initiative is that we're able to get as much information as we can and correct information to whānau as we can to our whānau to put them at ease, to put them at comfort, to say it's okay, kei te pai, we'll ride the ride all together as one.
Hei tēnei tai te ngā kaimahi toru te kau, ka tau ki te muro o te ahi. Herewini Waikato, aukaha.
Aukaha te taipū kōrero.